Hello, dear friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to share something special with you, something natural, powerful, and incredibly simple to use. Have you ever heard of aloe vera? I'm sure many of you have. Maybe you've even used it before, or perhaps you've seen it growing in someone's garden. But do you really know just how amazing this little plant is? Aloe vera has been around for thousands of years. It has been used in ancient cultures for healing, skincare, and overall well-being. In Sanskrit, it's called Kumari, which means young girl, because, believe it or not, this plant stays fresh and full of life no matter how old it gets. Wouldn't we all love to have that kind of natural energy and glow? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does aloe vera really work? The answer is yes, and science backs it up. From boosting digestion to soothing burns, from strengthening hair to keeping skin soft, this plant has an incredible list of benefits. And the best part? It's completely natural. No chemicals, no artificial ingredients, just a gift from nature. Now, before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you tuning in from? Comment below and share your city. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips like these. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about the health benefits of aloe vera. You might be surprised at how much this humble plant can do for your body. Health benefits of aloe vera. This incredible plant isn't just for soothing sunburns. It can actually help with digestion, boost immunity, and even regulate blood sugar levels. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Aloe vera for digestion and constipation relief. Many older adults struggle with digestion. Bloating, constipation, and acid reflux can make life uncomfortable. But aloe vera can help. It contains natural enzymes that aid digestion and fiber-like compounds that gently cleanse the intestines. A simple remedy you can try at home. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Add a pinch of rock salt for better absorption. Mix well and eat it before a meal. This natural remedy can help ease constipation, reduce bloating, and keep your gut healthy. But remember, aloe vera has a mild laxative effect, so always start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. 2. Aloe vera for blood sugar control. Diabetes is a common concern, especially as we grow older. Research suggests that aloe vera can help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. It contains compounds that support insulin function and help the body process glucose more efficiently. A simple way to use aloe vera for blood sugar balance. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. Mix it with half a cup of water. Drink this in the morning before breakfast. Of course, if you have diabetes or take medication for blood sugar control, always check with your doctor before adding aloe vera to your routine. 3. Aloe vera for a stronger immune system. As we age, our immune system doesn't work as efficiently as it once did. That's why it's so important to give our bodies the right support. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides, special compounds that help produce white blood cells, which are the body's defense system. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly can help your body fight off infections, colds, and inflammation. It's like a natural immune booster straight from nature. 4. Aloe vera for oral health. Did you know that aloe vera can also protect your teeth and gums? It has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it perfect for keeping your mouth healthy. Here's a simple way to use it. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel inside your mouth to help with dry mouth. Rub the gel on your gums 4 times a day if you have swollen or bleeding gums. Mix a little aloe vera gel with water and use it as a natural mouthwash to get rid of dental plaque. Oral health is directly connected to overall health, so taking care of your mouth means taking care of your whole body. While aloe vera has amazing benefits, it's important to use it correctly. Too much can cause stomach irritation or loose stools. Also, it should not be used by people with chronic diarrhea, children under 12 years old, pregnant or breastfeeding women. Always start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. If you're on any medication, talk to your doctor before making aloe vera a part of your routine. Isn't it amazing how one simple plant can do so much for our health? Nature truly has the best remedies. If you've never tried aloe vera before, this might be the perfect time to give it a chance. How can this miracle plant help us keep our skin soft, hydrated, and youthful? Stay with me, because you won't want to miss this. Aloe vera for skin, the secret to natural beauty. As we grow older, our skin goes through many changes. It becomes drier, thinner, and more sensitive. Fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots start to appear, and keeping the skin soft and hydrated becomes more challenging. But here's the good news. Nature has given us a simple, gentle, and completely natural solution: aloe vera. This powerful plant has been used for centuries to moisturize, heal, and protect the skin. It's like a little miracle in a leaf, packed with hydration, vitamins, and soothing properties. Let's talk about how it can help keep your skin soft, healthy, and glowing at any age. 1. Aloe vera as a natural moisturizer. One of the biggest skin concerns as we age is dryness. The skin loses moisture more quickly, making it feel rough and tight. Aloe vera is one of the best natural moisturizers because it is light, non-greasy, and deeply hydrating. Here's how you can use it every day. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf and cut it open. Scoop out the clear gel inside. Apply a thin layer to your face, hands, and any dry areas. Let it absorb for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse off or leave it on overnight. Aloe vera locks in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed without feeling oily. It's perfect for daily use. 2. Aloe vera for wrinkles and anti-aging. We all want our skin to stay firm and youthful for as long as possible. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. A simple anti-aging mask you can try at home. Mix 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel with a few drops of almond oil. Apply this mixture to your face and neck before bed. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. This will help hydrate, tighten, and refresh your skin, making it feel firmer and smoother over time. 3. Aloe vera for dark spots and uneven skin tone. Sun exposure, aging, and hormonal changes can cause dark spots and an uneven skin tone. Instead of using harsh chemicals, try this gentle aloe vera remedy. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it directly to dark spots. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Lemon juice helps brighten the skin, and aloe vera soothes and hydrates. With regular use, you'll notice your skin looking more even and radiant. 4. Aloe vera for pimples and skin irritation. Even as we age, we can still experience pimples, rashes, and skin irritation. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, making it perfect for soothing sensitive skin. If you have any redness, rashes, or acne, try this. Mix 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel with a pinch of turmeric powder. Apply it to the affected area twice a day. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Turmeric has natural antibacterial properties, and aloe vera helps calm irritation and heal the skin faster. 5. Aloe vera for minor burns and cuts. Have you ever burned yourself while cooking? Or had a small cut that took forever to heal? Aloe vera is one of the best natural remedies for burns, cuts, and minor wounds. Here's what to do if you get a minor burn or cut. Take a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel. Apply it directly to the affected area. Let it dry naturally. It forms a protective barrier while healing the skin. Aloe vera reduces pain, speeds up healing, and prevents scarring. It's like having a natural first aid kit in your home. 6. A simple trick for everyday use. Want to keep aloe vera handy for daily use? Here's an easy trick. Scoop out fresh aloe vera gel and store it in a small container in the fridge. It stays fresh for about a week, so you can use it anytime. Apply it to your skin morning and night for the best results. Isn't it amazing how one simple plant can do so much for our skin? And the best part? It's natural, safe, and affordable. If you've never tried aloe vera for your skin before, this is your sign to give it a shot. It's gentle, effective, and suitable for all skin types. How can this plant help strengthen, protect, and promote healthy hair growth? Stick with me, because you're going to love this next part. Aloe vera for hair. Stronger, healthier, and naturally beautiful. Hair is such an important part of our identity. Whether you keep it short, long, or somewhere in between, we all want strong, healthy hair, no matter our age. But as we grow older, our hair can become weaker, thinner, and more prone to dryness. Some of us may notice more hair fall, dandruff, or a dry, itchy scalp. Here's where aloe vera comes to the rescue. This simple plant has been used for centuries to nourish the scalp, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that work wonders for your hair. 1. Aloe vera for hair growth and strength. One of the most common hair problems as we age is thinning hair. Hair doesn't grow as fast, and it may feel weaker than before. Aloe vera strengthens hair follicles, improves blood circulation in the scalp, and encourages new hair growth. A simple hair growth treatment. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil. Massage this mixture into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash with a mild shampoo. This treatment nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair roots, and reduces hair fall. Try this twice a week for the best results. 2. Aloe vera for dry and itchy scalp. Do you ever feel like your scalp is dry, tight, or itchy? This is common as we age because the scalp produces less natural oil. Dryness can lead to flakes, irritation, and even dandruff. Aloe vera is a natural conditioner that keeps the scalp hydrated and balanced. Here's a simple remedy for a dry scalp. Take 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Apply this mixture to your scalp and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and a gentle shampoo. This treatment helps soothe the scalp, reduce itchiness, and prevent flakiness. 3. Aloe vera for dandruff control. Dandruff is another common issue, and it's not just about flakes. It can cause itchiness, scalp irritation, and even hair thinning. Instead of using harsh anti-dandruff shampoos, try this natural aloe vera remedy. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it to your scalp, focusing on areas with dandruff. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash with a mild shampoo. Lemon juice removes excess oil, and aloe vera heals and soothes the scalp. Do this once a week, and you'll notice less dandruff and a healthier scalp. 4. Aloe vera as a natural hair conditioner. As we age, hair loses moisture and becomes drier. Aloe vera is a fantastic natural conditioner that makes hair soft, shiny, and easy to manage. A quick DIY aloe vera conditioner. Blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply it to your hair from root to tip. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with water. This makes hair silky, hydrated, and smooth, without any chemicals. 5. Aloe vera for preventing hair loss. Losing hair can be frustrating, but the good news is that aloe vera helps strengthen hair roots and reduces breakage. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which promote healthy, thicker hair. If you're experiencing hair thinning, try this. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Massage it into your scalp and hair roots. Leave it on for 1 hour, then rinse with a gentle shampoo. Castor oil thickens hair, and aloe vera strengthens and repairs. This is a great weekly treatment for stronger, fuller hair. 6. Aloe vera for sun protection. Did you know that sun damage can weaken your hair, making it brittle and prone to breakage? If you spend time outdoors, aloe vera can act as a natural hair protectant. Before heading out, take a little aloe vera gel and mix it with a few drops of coconut oil. Apply a light layer to your hair strands to protect against UV damage and dryness. It's like a natural sunscreen for your hair. Hair care doesn't have to be complicated. With just one simple plant, you can nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and prevent damage, all without harmful chemicals. If you've never used aloe vera for your hair before, this is your chance to try it. It's gentle, natural, and safe for all hair types. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? From better digestion to glowing skin and stronger hair, aloe vera is truly a gift from nature. It's simple, natural, and easy to use, just the way health and beauty should be. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few important thoughts. Like any natural remedy, aloe vera works best when used in moderation. A little goes a long way. If you're trying it for the first time, start with a small amount, whether it's for digestion, skin, or hair. Observe how your body reacts. If it feels good, you can gradually make it part of your routine. If you have any existing health conditions, always check with your doctor first. Nature's gifts are powerful, but they work best when we use them wisely. One of the biggest mistakes people make with natural remedies is giving up too soon. Aloe vera isn't an instant fix. It's a long-term friend that works gently and gradually. If you're using it for digestion, try it daily for a few weeks and notice the difference. Skin, apply it every night before bed and watch your skin improve. Hair, use it once or twice a week for stronger, shinier hair over time. The key is consistency. Just like healthy eating and exercise, natural remedies work when you make them part of your lifestyle. Wouldn't it be amazing to have fresh aloe vera right at your fingertips? The good news is, it's easy to grow at home. Even if you don't have a garden, a small pot on your windowsill is enough. Aloe vera doesn't need much water, just a little sunlight and love. Every time you need it, just cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and use it fresh. It's cost-effective, convenient, and completely organic. One of the biggest lessons we can learn is that nature has always provided what we need. Long before modern medicine, people used plants, herbs, and natural remedies to stay healthy and strong. Aloe vera is just one example of the many healing gifts found in nature. By embracing these simple remedies, we not only take care of ourselves, but also respect the wisdom of generations before us. So, let's make a promise to take care of ourselves, to listen to our bodies, and to embrace the gentle, powerful healing of nature. Before we say goodbye, I want to ask you something. Have you ever used aloe vera before? Maybe your grandmother had an aloe vera plant in her home. Maybe you've used it for sunburns or skincare. Or maybe this is your first time learning about it. I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me your experiences, ask me questions, or just say hello. Let's learn from each other and create a space where we can share natural health tips together. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you feel inspired to try aloe vera for yourself. Remember, taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the best ones. Stay healthy, stay natural, and as always, take good care of yourself.